welcome back to my channel. It's really been a long 5 years, but I'm super excited to be giving you guys new content about healthy living and eating. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a really simple, quick, and easy healthy salmon recipe that you guys can make and meal prep for weight loss or for dieting. And it's super low calorie and it gives you really good omega-3 fats. So let's get started. Also, I'm going to be making these videos kind of like vlog style, just so I think they're a little bit more interesting than just kind of like the regular recipe videos. So we're going to get started. Okay guys, so first things first, I already defrosted the salmon over here. It doesn't look like really pink because it's not fresh, but that works because it's cheap and it's easy. So the salmon that I use I actually got from Walmart, so I'm going to show you guys here. So I got these from Walmart and it's like, it has a packet of 4 and they're all vacuum sealed, and I just like defrosted under hot water and I just cut them out of the bags. So I've just put some olive oil in the pan right now just so it doesn't stick to the pan, and now we're gonna go with the spices. So first I have garlic powder, so I'm gonna sprinkle that, and you know, we're gonna season everything really liberally just because we're not gonna marinate it for that long, so I want it to just be really flavorful. And then we're gonna go in with the Italian seasoning. And this part really adds the flavor, guys, because the dried herbs are so like potent and they taste super good. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of crushed red pepper. You can add this or not, just depending if like you like spicy. I can't handle spicy that much, so I'm just gonna add it a little bit. And then this I think is also really key, paprika, because it really gives it like a nice smoky flavor. There we go. And it also gives a nice color too. And then can't forget salt and pepper. And then, oops. And then that's all the spices you need, and then also season it on the other side too. So I've set the oven at 400 degrees and then we're gonna bake it around 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure to check it though, kind of like when it's at the 10-minute mark to see how much more you need to go. It kind of really depends on each oven, but yeah. So I'm just making some brown rice and I'm gonna saute up some spinach with some garlic later. And then I'll show you guys the finished product when it's ready. And then also if you guys want like recipe measurements, like really specific measurements, just comment down below and I'll like add them to the description. But otherwise you can kind of like eyeball all the spices except for the salt and pepper. For salt, I would just say kind of about like enough to cover the surface of the salmon, but just make sure you don't put on too much. So yeah, that's it. So I just took it out of the oven and I actually baked it for about 20 minutes. So just make sure to check that it's done, and then now I'm gonna serve it up on my plate. I sauteed some spinach and then I made a little bit of turmeric rice. It looks so delicious. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna top it. I chopped up a little bit of cilantro, so I'm just gonna top it up with that. So there you go, guys. This is your easy and quick 20-minute salmon dinner, and it's super healthy and it's really great for weight loss. I've been eating this all the time and it's been helping me a lot. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching my very first video back on YouTube, and I'm gonna be showing you lots of more content. I think I'm going to New York this weekend, so I'm definitely gonna be doing like a food tour vlog there, and I'm super excited. So I hope you guys can try out this recipe and let me know what you guys think.